Welcome to the demo of HearMeOut. This app is designed to help deaf and hard-of-hearing users stay safe during emergencies. First, here's the sign-up page where users can quickly create an account. After signing up, they can log in securely through the login page. Once logged in, you arrive at the home screen. The app starts listening in the background for emergency keywords like fire, earthquake, or evacuate. It's ready to alert users immediately when an emergency is detected. Now, I will simulate an emergency alert. As you can see, the app triggers strong phone vibrations, flashes the flashlight, and displays a bright emergency pop-up on the screen. This helps users get notified even if they cannot hear any sounds. With HearMeOut, we bring safety and accessibility together, empowering everyone to react faster during critical moments. Thank you for watching this demo.